Okay, so I'm going to show you the swaps I received the past couple of days. This one comes from Helen SRZ. She sent me Flowers in the Attic mix, and she sent quite a substantial amount. Look at that. And it's super duper pretty. I love Flower in the Attic. I have Flower in the Attic and all the ones that come after it. Look at this. She said she did a mix that reminded her of a flower. It has flowers in it and mylar and stuff like that. It's really pretty. All kinds. It's like multicolored light colors. And it's got so much in it, it's hard to close. It's got a bunch of hexes. And then she sent you this humongous bag of Fimos. And then she sent this netting. And she says that she sent the nettings because if you read the book, you know that, what's her name, Catherine, I think, is a ballerina. And this is purple glittery and this is yellow glittery. And so yeah, I understand your concept and I love it. I love that netting. It's super duper cute. And look at her envelope. Isn't she so sweet? Look at it. It's so cute. And she has her scratch and sniff sticker. And she's really generous. She just sent Pink Lady nail designs a gift mail, and it was humongous. Okay, so second one is from Charming Designs for You. And she sent Twilight because she did her video on Twilight, and I told her I love it so much. Please send me some of those for my swaps. It was so great. I love Twilight. And she sent me, well, she sent you guys 3 bags of glitter and 1 stick of Fimo for each thing. This is Twilight. And I believe it's Edward, Bella, and Jacob. Like that way. And this is New Moon, and it has like a heart with like leopard print in it. And Edward is like a dark black color. Well, you know, check out her video on the mixes, and she explains to you her concept of why she did on this color. And I can't remember them all. And this is Eclipse, and she sent you like a flower Fimo. This is Breaking Dawn Part 1. She sent you a blue heart. And this is Breaking Dawn Part 2. And she sent you a purple heart. Super duper cute. Thank you so much, Jean Ann. And this one is from Rica Lorena. And she did Avatar. And she has a video on this too, so you can go check out her channel on what she put in there. It's super, super shiny. Her camera didn't do it justice, and she sent you these blue rhinestones. But I'm going to open it up so you can see that it's super, like, shiny, shiny, shiny. Look at that. Look at how shiny that is. It's like bling, 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 bling. Super shiny. So. And it's like, she has like some hexes in there and stuff. So, really pretty. Thank you so much, girl. Sent one for me. Helen SRZ also included one for me. And I already took it out. That was the one I was showing you. And this one comes from Breezy Nails. Upside down. And I love this. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Her mix is Magic Mike, and she sent these dollar signs. And this is what the mix looks like. It has like a lot of tinsel and silver and blue glitter. And she sent me this mix, Bachelorette. It was packed full. I took some out already because I already did someone's nails in them. And it was Bachelorette. Really pretty. It's like a I don't even know how to describe it. It's so gorgeous. And she sent me this one too, Fairy Tale. By Breezy Nails. Check out her channel. Just getting started, and you know, super sweet.